Good morning. I'm getting ready to place the harmonic balancer, but I need to change that seal. This is the seal and a number. I don't have the tool to take out the seal. So what I'm going to do is punch here and up here. Use a small drill and use some self-tapping screws to get it out. I would use something with a claw, either this or that. Whenever I working on vehicles, it's difficult for me to do the flaming, especially I'm outside, so the glare is troubling me. So I'll pause the video and I'll do the drilling. I have a punch. Where is that punch? I have a punch. I will punch on the seal first. Then I'm going to drill it. So I'll be pausing for now. Yeah, I tried the screw, but instead it take it out, it rip off. So I use that puller, put it inside it, and if you notice, it's coming out slightly. Yeah. So I will be pausing the video to clean it up and put the other one in. Yeah, I put the seal in. Now the balancer. You have to turn it because it has a key. Right. It entered the key. No, not quite. Right. It entered. It's in now. So now I'll put the bolt in. I didn't come down with the the span. I'll pause the video. This is how I tighten the harmonic balancer. I use a belt, wrap it around the balancer, put it around the tensioner, make the one that come underneath the tensioner to go underneath the balancer, and I tighten. Right now I will be giving it 197 foot-pounds. I'll pause the video until I get through with it. Yeah, I put up the belts, I tighten them. If you notice, they are all tight. I don't know if it's too tight, but when I do start it, then I'll know. I'll be putting the radiator in, but I'll go and get myself something to eat. And when I come back, I'll put in the radiator. Bye for now. Yeah, I've completed it. Everything is back. The fan, the radiator. I notice since I took out the radiator, I don't know if it fell on something, but I notice it seems like I have a leak. You see, there was nothing wrong with the radiator until I take it out and I washed it. So this is it for this video. I hope it was understandable. If you understand the way I replace my balancer, give me a like, comment, and you could subscribe. Until the next video, goodbye and thank you.